Now what do we do in distance formula? Let's say if I have a point x1 comma y1 over here, and the other one is x2 y2, and I'll join a line from A to B. Okay, and if I just project these lines on the graph, as you can see, these are all perpendicular and parallel lines. So I can say that this point will be x2 comma y1. Okay, because from A to C it is going parallel to x-axis, and then from B to C it is coming perpendicular. So that's why the x coordinate from B to C will not change, and same story for y coordinate A to C, it will not change. Okay, now from this origin, if you will look at this A coordinate, it will be x1, while from origin, if you will look at C coordinate, it will be x2. So I can say that A to C will be x2 minus x1.
Yes.
Likewise, if you will look at B to C with same logic, it will be y2 minus y1. Okay.
Yep.
Now it's a right angle triangle for which we are trying to find hypotenuse. That's it. Okay. So if I use Pythagoras theorem, then I can write AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Okay. AB is the distance which I'm looking for. So I'll just write it over here at the bottom. AB will be equal to square root of AC. What is AC? AC is x2 minus x1. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, and this becomes our distance formula. Okay, so this distance formula is not a new formula, it's just a Pythagoras theorem written again using the coordinates.